We're in
We don't say what his name is because Alex hasn't held him yet.
5 minutes ago.
Sorry.
Hey, buddy. Oh, you're fine.
You freezing?
No.
Just
Oh,
Have to traverse.
that'd
Yeah.
probably be okay.
No, she's had the.
For the baby eating.
just beautiful.
Buddy. All on that side?
Right here.
Hello, little fine. Oh, hello.
Just come out here if you want.
Name, please. Name, please. Oh, don't cry. I'm your mom. Name, please. What's your name?
I don't know.
Alex, what's your name?
What's he look like?
I don't know. Try to give me a little bit. It's warm.
It's
It's
really
been under
warm
that.
under that little heat lamp there.
Oh, it's so hot with that stuff that we had on too.
That was an action shot for him.
Oh no, God.
He's hungry.
Could be.
We won't have you feed him until we leave.
Well, I might have you leave. I'll feed him and then I'll come back.
Okay.